Open.
And if you can
Come on.
guess what the animal is, did you just see that? You know what it was? You can become a sneaky quiz.
We should look at the camera.
Wiggle and Fuzz, a new short series. Premieres Saturday at 6:55, 5:55 Central.
Big girl.
Chuck E. Cheese's is a proud sponsor of Playhouse Disney, where kids are encouraged to exercise. Because it doesn't just keep them happy, it keeps them healthy. And that's cool. For real.
Last bite. Come on. Good girl. You like the sweet potatoes? Do you like them? Olivia. Do you like them? You want one more?
Now, what does a Candyman use that rhymes? You figure it out? What is it, Ew? A screw! There you have it. A handyman uses
That's
a
it.
screw, which rhymes with Ew.
Stay tuned for Handy Manny and all his tools coming up next on Playhouse